Dean. Yeah, Frauenheld so wie James Dean. Yeah.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's AV Cole back with another video. Today we're gonna be showing y'all how to do the rat truck glitch. So basically, you can spin your tires like this, like you could spin your tires, or you could start off normal. And basically, when you want, if you want to start normal, that so you don't know, so people don't know you're doing the glitch, then you can do that. But I would recommend starting with the tire spinning. So basically, you can you start spinning your tires, and when you take off, you count to 1. And when you take off, then when you count to 1, you hold the brake the whole time, and then you'll start eventually going like this. Super easy. Don't take no time. It's super easy. You'll be able to master it in about 5 seconds. And yes, you start flying that fast. And that's basically it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Share the video, and I'll catch you later. AV Cole out.